Hot.
Yeah,
Hot.
that one.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hot. Hot. When you matter down, split hot so hot. Then I talk about kill them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Nessa, aka That Girl So Gone, and today's videos are nonetheless none other than the only person who is killing the Olympics fashion wise right now, TELFAR. So if you want to know what's in my bag, stay tuned, and please, before we get into the video, subscribe to my channel. Alrighty, so we are back, and today we're doing a video on TELFAR bags. I have 3 of the lovely, beautiful colors. You can see one's already poking out, so you already know what time it is right there. So, first things first, since that one wants to show itself, well, actually, no, this one's showing itself more. So let's start with that one. Of course, it's obvious. You can see it. I didn't even realize you can see the straps. So since you can see the straps, let's go into the silver TELFAR shopping bag. It comes in a plastic like this. That was just the tag. And then it comes in the white bag that also has the TELFAR logo. And we're pulling her out. And it looks like this. Double straps here that you can just hang on your shoulder, and then the 2 straps here that you can hold. So it's the small TELFAR bag that retails for $150, solid, no tax, no extra, thank God. No, I'm just joking, but yeah. So it's nice little size. Honestly, I felt like he could have did the sizing better, because the medium is like way bigger, it's like this big, and then the large is like whoosh, so I'm just like, okay, you could have just made this just a little bit more bigger or whatever, but I love that regardless. So this is what it looks like on the inside, the TELFAR tag. It doesn't have any side compartments where you can stick anything in the side. You kind of just drop everything and go in here. Because honestly, I think it's supposed to be like a shopping bag and not like a actual going out bag. I think it's like a grocery shopping bag, or like a bag that you just wear to go shopping. It's supposed to be like super simple and cute, but of course you can always dress it up, dress it down. I have dressed it down and up multiple times on multiple occasions. So this is the first lovely color. So we're gonna just go ahead and put her here. Literally hanging it on my camera hook. I'm just letting you know that right now. The second color that I have, they're all the same size. I got all the smalls, by the way, because like these suckers go quick, okay? So I get I grab what I can get. It's orange. It is orange. I absolutely love the orange. I'm dying to get my hand on the hot pink and the one of the metallic blues and the light blue, and also the yellow. So it's the same thing, the double straps, short and long. Same thing applies, no inner pockets, just the TELFAR tag. And of course you can just hold it like this when you're going out, or you can do the long strap, which hit right above the thigh for me, like below right above mid thigh for me. I'm 5'6", so I'm gonna go ahead and hang this one here as well. And then what I'll do is I'll pick them all up. Oh, my camera's shaking. Oh, and my bag dropped. So I'll pick them all up. I just don't have a table. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do like my video table and stuff, where I want to put it moving forward. So for now, I'm just winging it. So color number 3, okay, is none other than money green, of course. So because we all love money around here, don't we all? So here are the is the same thing, double straps, same here, and it's just beautiful and cute. So yeah, this, and they all retail for the small, all retail for $150. You can only get it on shop TELFAR, shop I think .telfar. If you want to know exactly, just go on the TELFAR Instagram page, and the link is there, and you just buy it from there. He usually updates his selling his color drop days. I love how he makes it so that you can't buy multiple bags at a time. He drops a specific color during the week. Sometimes it's on Mondays and then Fridays, sometimes it's Tuesday and Thursday, sometimes it's Tuesday and Friday, sometimes it's Wednesday. Like, you know, he just rotates whatever, and the colors are beautiful. Like the other day he dropped the red again, then he did like the blood red after. So I'm waiting for an as I said, the hot pink to come back around. It was a new color he dropped that he gave Wendy Williams. I'm waiting for that one, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna gather them all up, and then we'll be back. Okay, we are back, and I'm still struggling, by the way. So here are the three lovely ladies. Right here, the green, the silver, and the orange. So again, they are super lightweight, you know, until you start to put stuff in. They can pretty much hold a lot. I have the small Kirigami wallet, LV wallet that I use. As I said, I love that one. I did a video on it previously. I just drop it in there with my lip gloss. It can fit my phone, and I have the 12 Pro Max. It can fit my phone, my keys, you know, without getting like overwhelmed. It can fit those few little things, and you're good to go date night, you know, either girls night, to a little occasion, whatever, wherever, you know, they're good to go. It's super cute and simple. The only thing I just don't like is that I wish he had stuffing on the inside of the bags, and instead of just folding them, like bending them up like this, like an actual, you know, how you get the grocery bags or whatever, they come bent up. Because as I said, I think it's mostly for shopping anyways, which is why he packages them like this. But I really wish he would have them like either flat or like put stuffing so that they can, you know, because what if you don't wear it all the time? Like me, I've literally only worn these two, the silver and the green, and they don't even look like I wore them, because honestly the stuff that I put in there wasn't even that much to get it to straighten up. And then even if it did straighten up, I had to bend it back again to put it back in the packaging, you know. So because I don't have them lined out as yet, and I don't want them to get dirty. So that's just the only thing I don't like. But other than that, I love them, and they're super strong and sturdy. As I said, they hold a lot, so the ripping hasn't started yet. And as I said, I haven't worn them that much yet to know the wear and tear process. So I will do a video on them maybe 6 months down the line to let you know about the wear and tear process. But for the most part, they're gorgeous. I love them. They're all a 10. I'm here for it. I wish I was waiting to get one more and then I do the video, but I can't wait no more. So I'll just do another video when I get some more, you know, on more colors or whatever. But I definitely want a medium. I think the medium is like $202, and then the large is like $257. So I want one of those sizes in different colors. So we'll see, you know. But for now, I'm loving the small. At times I do wish they're a little bit bigger, but they're fine. And that's pretty much it, you know. The bags speaks for themselves. As I said, they're all statement pieces in every color. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else I can really say on them or compare them to, because I don't have another semi like designer bag to kind of compare them to. So when I do and I get more colors, I will be able to compare them more. But for now, they are a statement, and I'm here for it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and go buy TELFAR, because it's Black owned and he's killing it right now. Y'all see him with the Olympics outfits? I'm here for it. So buy TELFAR. Okay.